French fries got covered with gold. Nutella turned black. A pizza became as hard as chalk. There is definitely something wrong with this food. How can you make weird food? Watch and learn in our new video. I'm waiting for my friend at a cafe. At last, she turns up with a surprise for me. She gives me back the vest that she borrowed a long time ago. Jackie loves my clothes for sure, so much that she's even ready to eat the patches on it. Take real patches off a piece of clothing. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out white fondant. Put a patch onto it and cut it out. Replicate the picture with a modeling tool. Color it with food markers. Color yellow cheese, red sauce, and green spices. Paint the dough with food coloring. Make other patches from fondant the same way. Attach the patches to your piece of clothing when the paints are dry. Jackie crunches on a patch and it's so tempting. I try one too. Oh wow! I can't believe it's made from sweet fondant and not fabric. We eat patches one after another quickly. It was delicious, but I would like to know where my real patches are. Keep calm. My friend saved them. Here they are, safe and sound. Fruit tea is healthy and refreshing. Look at these berries swimming so peacefully in it. But Betty can't drink her tea peacefully. It's way too sour for her. It's time to add some sugar. It's great that Betty brought her friend along. Well, where is that sugar mouth of mine? Alfred, get out of here! Bend a red cardboard plate in half. Bend the edges back slightly. Cut out lips on top. Use edible glue to attach sugar cubes. Make them look like teeth. Shape pink fondant into a tongue. Use a modeling tool to make a line in the middle. Put the tongue into the mouth. This sweet smile terrifies my friend. Don't worry, it's just a sugar mouth named Alfred. It won't harm you. Alfred is ready to sacrifice all his teeth so that our tea will be sweet. And his tongue is made from real fondant. We can arrange a photo shoot, and we can also bite off a piece to go with our tea. And don't forget that eating too many sweets can lead to losing your teeth. Am I right, Alfred? Let's arrange a picnic outside. My friend Jackie is a real fashionista. Regular French fries are way too ordinary for her. Totally mainstream. But I take out my gold fries. And even the fashionista can't keep her hands to herself. Apply edible glue to French fries and cover it with gold food glitter. Put gold French fries back into the packaging. My glamorous French fries are a hot trend. It's not fast food, it's fashion food. Add some shine to old recipes. I don't care that my teeth are gold after eating these French fries. It's totally worth it because you need to live a glamorous life. Jackie is our free time manager. She brings not only a pizza, but also a coloring book. It's a lunch fit for a real artist. But why is she taking a piece of pizza and coloring a picture with it? Make a pizza triangle on parchment paper with hot glue. Melt yellow crayons in a microwave and pour them into the pizza triangle. Add details using melted crayons of a darker shade. Make a brown crust. Then add some orange sauce, red slices of salami, brown spices, and white dots on the salami. Take the wax pizza out of the mold when it hardens. Even out the edges with a knife. That's a weird pizza. It doesn't leave any oily stains, and you can draw with it like with crayons. But Jackie knows what she's doing. She's certainly not afraid that salami will fall on her picture. This slice is made from fresh and organic crayons. My friend can stick to eating her regular